welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys I've got something kind of a bit special. If you followed my last Sunday's weekly vlog, I told you about a competition I entered on Will's Workshop's channel to win the Mike Lane Back to the Future railroad tracks. Now, I won that competition, as I said, in the thing, which I was absolutely unbelievable. I was absolutely over the moon that I won it. Not kind of a person who really ever wins things in my life, but you know, if you don't enter, you don't get, really, I suppose. And you know, I had always planned to do my DeLorean on the railroad tracks with the railroad wheels. Well, like I said, I did win that competition, and it has arrived. Now, it's a bit of a hefty box, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox this and put this together for you in a sec. So what we'll do is we'll have a look what's in the box, how it's come, and then what I'll do is I'll put it together and we'll see what it looks like at the end. Like I said, I won this on Will's Workshop channel. If you want to check out his channel, absolutely fantastic. He's doing the DeLorean, he's also doing the Knight Rider as well, the kit from Knight Rider. So if you want to check out his channel, the link is down below in the description, so please check that out. Go along, give him a sub. You know, we like to help other people out on YouTube within the community. So yeah, so it's going to be a case of, with all that said, what's in the box? Okay, so here we have the box from Mike Lane. I have opened the top, but I swear down I have not looked in this yet. Because I really wanted to do this justice and do it on camera. So, okay. Right, so, seems to be extremely well packaged here. So, let's see what we can do. Stand up this one. Right, tell you what, I'm going to just put it down on the ground. Just to get out of the box. I don't want anything to fall out or drop. Okay. So, very well packaged, I've got to admit. Right, okay. Right, so now some of the gravel has come off in shipping, which is you know, you can't help that. These things get thrown around everywhere. But, what we'll do is we'll try and get out what we can. Okay, so first of all, we have some gravel. This is like the slate gravel. Brilliant. I'll just put some bits in bin here. Okay, so wow, yeah, I'll tell you one thing, this is definitely well sealed. So I would get that out, but that is sealed shut. But that is some slate gravel. Okay, so here we have one of the railroad tracks. Here we have another one of the railroad tracks. Oh, fantastic. So what we have here is we have issue 146, which is one of the railroad wheels. Thanks Will for sending me that. So I have a spare. Fantastic. We can actually see what one of the wheels is going to look like when we actually put it. Well, we can compare the wheel on the railroad tracks. So fantastic. Right. We have some more gravel. That's why. Been a bit of a crack down there, but I can, I've got another container I can put that in, so I'll just put that to one side. Okay, so next is in here. Right, okay, so in here, these are the railroad sleepers, and pretty hard to see, but we do have the Mike Lane signature on the bottom of these. Looking fantastic. So they are all in there. Brilliant. And then lastly, we do have the base. So I'm just taking some of the tape off. Just get rid of some of their stones where things have opened, but it's not a problem. So here we have the base for the tracks. Now it does say obviously Eleanor on the front of there, but you can take this off and we'll be able to change that. Now with my DeLorean, I never got the base because they basically said it's out of stock. So this is going to go a long way to sort of completing mine, because I don't think I'll get the base from Fan Homes. Bit of tape to take off, which I'll do that in a second. That's the base. Now as far as I'm aware, if I see if I can find something just to lift this with. Never have anything to hand when you want it. This bit in here, I do believe, could be wrong, but okay. So here we have one side, and here we have like a dirt side. That obviously can be used as the Back to the Future 3, when he is going back with the white wall tyres on. So when he's going actually back to 1885, I believe it is. It's a Friday night, so my math is not the best. But that is what we've got in the box. So what I'm going to do is I am going to assemble all this. I'm not going to put the stones on because obviously I'm going to have to put this away until the build is done. But I do have something for the front of this stand. I've got to paint up yet, but yeah, this is going to look amazing. So I'll be back very shortly once I've done all the cleanup and everything, and we'll have a look at this.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so this is it all set up. I need to work out the distance of the tracks, just to make sure they're right, but yeah, this is what we get, which is amazing. Now we've got these tufts of grass. They've been put on for us, as you can see, but I'm trying not to be as wonky as possible. There we have the Eleanor badge. Now I did say I have got something that can put in place of that, so that should easily come off. But it does look pretty amazing. Now when the gravel goes on, obviously you're not going to see this bottom bit, but it really does look good. Now you don't even have to have this bottom card sheet on. You can just have all the gravel in there instead. But it does really look amazing, and basically if we look at this here, that is what one of the train wheels, this was sent by Will, is going to look like when it's on the tracks. Car's going to look pretty high, but it's gonna look fantastic. And like I said, I did say I had I can do something with this base, and that's simply because I 3D printed this, which I've got to paint, but that is a perfect fit for down there, and I might see if I can light it up as well. So that really does, it will really make this from an Eleanor base into a Back to the Future base. This is what we would have got anyway, whether we were still with Eagle Moss. Like I said, I just don't think we're going to get this at all, because obviously Fan Home, they've agreed to finish the model, but you know, they're not agreeing to finish the gifts that we got. That was with Eagle Moss. That's something we cannot change, but yeah, it really does look amazing. I am really chuffed. So thanks to Will at Will's Workshop. This is amazing. It's going to be a while until I get this on here. So, but yeah, I am chuffed to bits with it. So, like I said, if you want to check out Will's channel, it is down in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed this. There will be another catch up on regular Sundays from now on. It's something I'm quite enjoy doing it. Don't know if I'm going to go back to doing it live yet. I don't know, but I'm really chuffed with this. I'm amazed. It looks really nice. Looks the business, really does. So, anyway, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.